Chapter 2, Layers of a Tropical Rainforest. A tropical rainforest is like a building with several different floors. The floors are called strata, or layers. Each layer is home for different kinds of plants and creatures. The tops of the canopy. The tops of the trees in a forest form a layer called the canopy. The canopy is like a big green umbrella over the whole forest. In most tropical rainforests, the canopy is more than 100 feet above the ground. The canopy is noisy. Most of the animals of the rainforest live there. Birds squawk, monkeys chatter, and frogs croak all day long. They feed on canopy leaves, insects, nuts, and fruits. Many animals live their whole lives in the canopy without ever touching the ground. You can hear a howler monkey howl from 3 miles away. Howler monkey. In some rainforests, a few trees grow even taller than the canopy trees. These trees are called emergents. Emergents. The distance from the ground to the top of an emergent can be greater than the height of a 14-story building. Harpy eagle. Harpy eagles live in emergent trees in Central and South American rainforests. The understory. Beneath the canopy and the emergence is a layer called the understory. Understory. The understory is dark and shadowy. That's because the leaves of the canopy are so close together that only a tiny bit of sun shines through. The trees in the understory are not very tall. Some are young trees that will grow to become part of the canopy, but most understory trees never go taller than about 15 feet. Several different kinds of wild cats live in the understory. The understory is also home for all sorts of bats, owls, monkeys, snakes, and lizards. Ocelot. Ocelots look like beautiful house cats, only twice as big. The forest floor. The bottom layer of a rainforest is the forest floor. The forest floor is very dark and quiet. The ground is covered with rotting leaves. A few ferns and bushes grow among the giant trunks of the canopy trees. The animals that live on the forest floor are not nearly as noisy as those in the canopy and the understory. Jaguars prowl silently looking for food. Snakes slither over tree roots. Millions of insects and spiders creep through the carpet of dead leaves. Layers of a rainforest. Emergence, canopy, understory, forest floor. Each layer of a rainforest can seem like a separate world, but all the plants and animals in a rainforest are connected. They depend on each other to survive. This is called interdependence. Interdependence. Turn the page to see an example of rainforest interdependence at work. This way. The interdependence of fig trees, fig wasps, monkeys, bats, and birds. 1. Tiny fig wasps lay their eggs in fig tree flowers. The wasps carry pollen from the flowers of other fig trees. Pollen is the name for the tiny yellow or white grains inside most flowers. 2. Pollen causes the flowers the wasps have laid their eggs in to produce fruits. The fruits are full of fig seeds. 3. Monkeys, bats, and birds eat the fruits and spread the seeds to other parts of the forest. 4. New fig trees grow where seeds are dropped.